In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add products from Aliexpress to your Shopify store the fastest and easiest way possible. Now let's show you how that works. So for this, of course, you want to make sure to have Shopify opened. You also want to have a tab with Aliexpress. And then next up, you need an extension to do this. Now that extension is called Overlow. So you want to search for Overlow Chrome extension. So make sure that you're using Google Chrome as well, because you can then go to the Chrome Web Store and you can find this amazing extension which has over 600,000 users. Click on Add to Chrome, click on Add Extension, and there you go. Okay, so right now this is the extension. If you don't have an account yet, you want to click on Sign Up right here. If you already have an account, you can click on Login. So I already have an account, and here we are. So I'm automatically signed into my account. So like I said, you can also sign up for free, which will only take you a few seconds. But once you're signed into your account, you can get rid of this and you want to go to Aliexpress and you want to find a product that you want to add. So let's say that I want to add these glasses, cycling glasses, I believe. You then click on that product, and once you're here, you'll then be able to find the Overlow icon at the bottom right corner. Click on that. And what it's going to do is then going to import that product to Overlow. So that's step number one. So make sure you go do that for all the products that you want to add. Now let's say that I also want to add these, let's see. Okay, so I'm not sure which kind of products these are, but we'll just click on this one right here. So find the products that you want to add, go to the product, then click on the Overlow icon. And there you go. So it's now importing these products. Now once you're done, you can click on Open Import List, and it's then going to go to the import list on your Overlow account. Now the import to store action will be enabled when a store is assigned. So what you need to do, you need to connect your store to Overlow. So click right there, and right there you can then put in your Shopify store URL. So you want to make sure to find that. Okay, so let's just go to my online store, and there we go. So I just connected my store to this Overlow account. As you can see right there, you are about to install Overlow. Okay, there you go. So you want to click on Install App, and what it's going to do is basically going to install Overlow on your Shopify store so that you can import these products from Aliexpress. Now right there, you can put in your store name. Now I'll just put in How to Digital, which is the name of this channel, which is not actually my store, but I'll just put it in there. Now you can, you have to customize all of these settings. Okay, so I'm just going to do that. There you go. Now you want to go to the import list right here, and right there you'll then be able to find import to store and import to store. You want to click on that, and there you go. So this is now being imported. I'm also going to click on this one, and there you go. So right now these both of these are imported and added to my Shopify store. You can then click right here on Edit Product on Shopify. Click on that and it will bring you over to your Shopify store where you can then customize your product. And that's pretty much how you can add products from Shopify, from Aliexpress of course, to Shopify. So as you can see right there, you'll now have the title, you have a description which you can customize, and you automatically have all these medias which you have to check whether that's allowed or not. But this is how you can add these products from Aliexpress directly to your Shopify store. Now, if this video helped you out, I would appreciate it if you can leave a like on the video and let me know in the comments down below if this works and what kind of store you have. I would be interested in that. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good day. Peace out. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.